In the early 19th century, what is now Germany was a patchwork of small and medium-sized states, remnants of the once mighty Holy Roman Empire, which had been dissolved in 1806 after a decisive defeat by Napoleon. The aftermath of the Napoleonic Wars saw the establishment of the German Confederation in 1815 by the Congress of Vienna, a loose affiliation of 39 states that lacked true unity and strength. The desire for a unified Germany, however, persisted and intensified through the century. The rise of German nationalism was a critical element in the journey toward unification. The shared language, culture, and history of the German people fostered a collective identity. Intellectuals, writers, and revolutionaries propagated the idea of a unified Germany, stirring public sentiment. Yet, it was Prussia, under the astute leadership of King Wilhelm I and his Chancellor Otto von Bismarck, that emerged as the unifying force. Bismarck, a master of realpolitik, pursued pragmatic politics, leveraging diplomacy and military might to consolidate Prussian influence and weaken opposition. The unification process involved three critical wars, each a stepping stone toward a unified German state. The Danish War of 1864 saw Prussia and Austria allied to defeat Denmark, gaining control of the duchies of Schleswig and Holstein. This victory demonstrated Prussia's growing military prowess and set the stage for future confrontations. The Austro-Prussian War of 1866, a brief yet decisive conflict, resulted in Prussia's victory over Austria. This war effectively excluded Austria from German affairs and led to the dissolution of the German Confederation. In its place, the North German Confederation, dominated by Prussia, was formed, consolidating the northern states under Prussian leadership. The final and most significant conflict was the Franco-Prussian War of 1870 to 1871. Engineered by Bismarck's deft manipulation of diplomatic tensions, this war rallied the southern German states to the Prussian cause. Prussia's triumph over France, culminating in the capture of Emperor Napoleon III, galvanized the entire German populace. On January 18, 1871, in the opulent Hall of Mirrors at the Palace of Versailles, King Wilhelm I was proclaimed the German Emperor, marking the official unification of Germany. The German Empire was born, a testament to the power of nationalism, strategic leadership, and the decisive outcomes of military engagements. The unification of Germany transformed the European political landscape, establishing Germany as a major continental power. The era of a fragmented Germany was over, replaced by a strong, cohesive nation-state that would play a pivotal role in the dynamics of Europe in the years to come.